You can make your detecting experience completely wireless with the Garrett Pro-Pointer AT with Z-Lynk wireless technology. Being able to hear your pinpointer through your headphones is a real game changer. When the Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk pinpointer is paired to your headphones, its audio is no longer external. You hear the pinpointer signals as well as your detector signals right through your headphones. This allows for silent hunting when you're near other people during organized hunts and rallies. The wireless Pro-Pointer is also perfect for beach hunting, where you often contend with strong winds and surf noise. It is also helpful in noisy, urban areas, both to give you clear target signals and to avoid disturbing other people or drawing unwanted attention. The clear, strong pinpointer signals through your headphones are beneficial to those with any slight hearing loss. This pinpointer can be paired wirelessly with any Garrett Z-Lynk receiver. First, switch on the receiver, either your Garrett MS-3 wireless headphones or your Garrett WR1 Z-Lynk device. Then, hold your pinpointer within 6 inches, 15 centimeters, of the headphone or WR1 device. Switch the pinpointer on and wait approximately 3 seconds for the light on the headphones or WR1 device to go from blinking to steady. If the units do not pair, switch the pinpointer off and then on again. If you have trouble pairing, make sure the receiver is on first and that the two devices are within 6 inches of each other. Also, be sure that a previously paired headphone or WR1 is not powered on in the vicinity, within 20 to 50 feet. Once paired, the pinpointer will instantly reconnect to the last paired receiver. The receiver must be powered on first. When the Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk pinpointer is paired wirelessly to your headphones, its external audio will be switched off. Here's a tip. If you want to unpair your Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk from any other wireless device, you can do a factory reset. In this case, I've got the red light on. I can hear that this is paired up. There's no external sound. But if I want to unpair it from any other device, I can simply hold down the power button for a full 15 seconds. Now, you're not going to hear a beep because it's paired up. If it was not paired to this device, you might hear a beep, but hold it for 15 full seconds. I'm waiting, and I just heard a beep. That external beep means it's unpaired, and you'll see that this is blinking, external sound. So these guys are unpaired. So now that the pinpointer is unpaired, you can choose which device to pair it to next. After you've located a target with your metal detector, the Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk pinpointer will help speed the recovery of your target. On land or underwater, the Pro-Pointer AT can be used to quickly scan holes, probe under rocks, or sift through soil, sand, or gravel to precisely locate targets. The Pro-Pointer's audible and/or vibrating response increases in intensity based on the target's proximity. When you run the Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk wirelessly, you still get a proportional target response. The Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk pinpointer is submersible to a maximum depth of 20 feet or 6 meters. Ideal for anyone seeking treasure along the beach, in rivers, or in the swimming areas of lakes or ponds. All-terrain means that Garrett's Pro-Pointer can be used in challenging hunt environments, such as in the rain, in snow, and even in the mud. Wireless operation of this Pro-Pointer is possible in shallow water as long as the unit is not fully submerged. Radio signals do not transmit well through water, so if you'll be hunting fully submerged, you must rely upon the Pro-Pointer's vibration and audio alerts without the benefit of headphones. All the other functions and features of the Z-Lynk wireless Pro-Pointer AT are the same as Garrett's Pro-Pointer AT. So let's go back and look at some of the basic operating instructions. The Pro-Pointer AT features simple, one-touch operation. All settings are controlled with this button. To power it on, press and release the button while holding the pinpointer away from any metallic objects. You will hear 2 beeps and the LED will remain on. To power off, press and hold the button for about 1 second until you hear a single beep. indicating power down. The Pro-Pointer AT has 3 sensitivity settings. It also has 2 detection settings, an audio plus vibrate setting, or a silent vibrate only setting. To enter adjustment mode, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. When you enter adjustment mode, you will hear a single beep, followed by a dual tone beep and a flashing LED. The first button press after entering adjustment mode indicates the current setting of your Pro-Pointer AT. To change the setting, press the button repeatedly to cycle through the 6 settings. 1 beep indicates minimum sensitivity with audio and vibrate. 2 beeps indicates medium sensitivity with audio and vibrate. 3 beeps indicates maximum sensitivity with audio and vibrate. 1 vibration pulse with no audio indicates minimum sensitivity for silent operation. 2 vibration pulses with no audio indicates medium sensitivity for silent operation. 3 vibration pulses with no audio indicates maximum sensitivity for silent operation. As you continue to press the button, the Pro-Pointer AT continues to cycle through these 6 settings. To exit the adjustment mode, press and hold the button for 2 seconds, indicated by a dual tone beep and steady LED, or wait 5 seconds for automatic exit. Your current setting will be remembered when the unit is switched off and back on, even when the battery is replaced. Typically, sensitivity and detection settings are set to your preferred level and are rarely changed unless needed. For example, higher sensitivity settings provide the greatest detection of smaller and/or deeper targets, but may result in detection of highly mineralized grounds, in which case, lower sensitivity settings are recommended. As an alternative to reducing sensitivity, the Pro-Pointer AT can instantly tune out the detection of saltwater, wet sand, or highly mineralized ground. Simply hold the tip of the pinpointer to the water, sand, or soil, and quick press the button for an instant retune. If necessary, repeat this fast retune to further eliminate any environmental response. The fast retune function can also be used to more precisely pinpoint large targets. So I've got this Civil War belt plate here to simulate a large target that would be in the ground to show this fast retune function. As I go across the ground with my pinpointer, I'm getting a broad response from something that's pretty big. So to narrow that down, I can just come to it until I get a steady, constant alarm, tap the button 1 time, and I've already reduced the response. As I come in closer, tap it again. I can go back and forth over the target. It's already a smaller response. I can tap it again if I need to, and as many times as I need to narrow that response down. And now if you notice, I'm only getting a response when I'm dead centered on this large target. If I want to return the pinpointer to its normal operation, just turn it away from any metal or up in the air, tap it again. You can come back and see that I've now got a large response on the ground again. So back and forth. Try not to dead center on what you think is the center of the target. Just as you get a full response, tap it. Again, tap it again as you need to narrow that down. And I've got a much smaller response. And therefore I'm going to dig a smaller hole. I'm going to more precisely recover my target. In case you've forgotten to switch off your pinpointer and left it behind, the Pro-Pointer AT will begin emitting warning chirps after 5 minutes of being on without a button press. Press the power button to reset this 1-hour alarm. The Pro-Pointer AT will sound the lost alarm chirp for 1 hour and then power off automatically to save its battery. This rugged edge is ideal for sifting through dirt while searching for the target. The Pro-Pointer AT has 360-degree side scan metal detection. This allows detection when the blade is passed in close proximity to a metallic target. This handy lanyard ring allows the Pro-Pointer AT to be attached to your belt, digging pouch, or your detector, if desired. Secure the Pro-Pointer AT in its included holster, made to attach to any standard size belt. A metal snap within the holster will cause the pinpointer to alarm if it is put away while powered on. The Pro-Pointer AT has a ruler molded into its exterior to measure a target's depth in either centimeters or inches. When the battery becomes low, the detector will sound an alternating dual-tone alarm. Replace the 9-volt battery as soon as possible. Simply rotate the battery cover counterclockwise to remove, and clockwise to tighten by hand. In order to properly install the 9-volt battery, match the larger battery terminal to the larger opening in the battery compartment. Remove the battery when the Pro-Pointer AT will be stored more than 30 days. Ensure the O-ring and housing are clean for proper sealing. Turning on the Pro-Pointer near any metal could cause a target to be canceled. To avoid this, always hold the Pro-Pointer away from any metal as you power it on. Use the side of the detector and the scraping blade to quickly scan through loose dirt or the side of a hole. Then, precisely locate the target with the pinpointing tip. Not only will you recover your targets quicker, but you will dig smaller holes. Double check your target hole. Sometimes your metal detector may have actually detected multiple targets. The Pro-Pointer AT's LED flashlight can help locate targets in low light conditions. Because the Pro-Pointer AT is a static, non-motion detector, optimum operation is achieved when the unit is switched off between uses. Avoid using the Pro-Pointer AT as a digging or prying tool. It is designed for broad side scanning and precise pinpointing with its tip. It is not intended to be used with excessive force. For water use, do not exceed 20 feet or 6 meters depth. Make sure the battery cap O-ring, threads, and housing are free of sand or sediment, and that the O-ring is periodically lubricated with silicone grease to maintain a tight seal. To remove dry dirt, mud, or other debris from the unit, simply hand wash it with soap, water, and a soft cloth. Do not use any type of abrasive or chemical cleaners which could scratch or erode its surface. With the Pro-Pointer AT Z-Lynk pinpointer, you can enjoy the advantages of fully wireless metal detecting, and you can eliminate needless digging, save time, and find more treasure. Best of all, it's a high-quality product made in America by Garrett, the manufacturer of the world's top-selling metal detectors.